At CES 2019, MSI launched the new MSI GS75 Stealth, which is touted to be the world's first thin and light laptop for gamers. It also launched the PS63 Modern laptop, which is a portable sleek machine meant for modern day users. This is our first look at both these laptops. The MSI GS75 Stealth comes with a sandblasted metallic black finish with elegant gold trim and looks a great deal like its predecessor. The innards get up to Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 8GB GDDR6 GPU and is powered by up to the 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor. It sports a 17.3-inch Full HD display with a per-key SteelSeries RGB gaming keyboard. It also supports Dynaudio ESS Sabre Hi-Fi audio DAC technology and Nahimic 3 audio enhancer for sound, and comes with one M.2 SATA-SSD and two M.2 SSD NVMe PCIe Gen 3 SSD combo for storage. The dimensions measure at 396.1 by 259.5 by 18.95mm and the laptop weighs 2.25 kilograms. Coming to the PS63 Modern, the new laptop weighs just 1.65 kilos and is just 15.9mm thin. Touting portability as a key feature, MSI boasts that the PS63 Modern comes with up to 16 hours of battery life with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It ships with a slim power adapter that is also lightweight and supports the latest 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor and Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 graphics. It integrates the MSI Cooler Boost 3 for managing temperature and also comes with a drop-down hinge design. The laptop comes with a fingerprint sensor on the keyboard and features a carbon grey body with blue diamond cut design. The PS63 Modern sports a 15.6-inch Full HD display, two DDR4 2400 slots that offer a maximum of 32GB storage. Furthermore, there is 1.2 SSD combo slot and one M.2 SSD slot for memory expansion. Connectivity options include one USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 1 port, two USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports, USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 2 port, one HDMI port, one microSD card reader, one microphone and one headphone jack. The pricing and availability of the new laptops hasn't been revealed yet. Thanks for watching. For all things tech and the latest in CES news, log on to gadgets360.com.